Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to English Catist again. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. At first, I want to say that when we use this tense, we use present continuous for actions that are happening right now, or for actions that haven't finished yet. It means if I am doing something right now, or if I start to do something but it hasn't finished yet, we can use present continuous. Okay, two examples here. The first one, I am watching TV. It means I am watching TV right now. The second one, Steve is reading a really good book. Okay, from this example, we can understand two meanings. The first one, Steve is reading a really good book right now. It means he is reading a book right now and he's at the middle of reading that. The second meaning, it can be this. He is not reading book at the time of speaking. It means he isn't reading a book right now, but he is in the middle of reading it. It means he started a book, he started to reading a book, but he hasn't finished the book yet. Okay, now it's the time to learn how we can make present continuous tense. At first, we need subjects like I, you, he, she, plus to be verbs. You know, for I we use am. For he, she, it, we use is. For you, we, they, we use are. So, we have our to be verbs plus main verb like watch, learn, speak, and plus ing. Okay? Now I write two examples and I want to show you how we can make this sentence negative and how we can ask questions with this tense. Okay, the first one. It is raining outside. It means at the time of speaking, it is raining outside. How we can make it negative? As I said in our last videos, if we have to be verbs in our sentence, we can put not after our to be verb, so our sentence will be negative. So, it is raining outside, negative form, it isn't raining outside, or it is not raining outside. And for making questions, we can do this. Change places. Is it raining outside? And short answers, yes it is, no it isn't. Now we are going to the second one. I am watching an interesting movie. I want to make it negative. I'm not watching an interesting movie. Or I am not watching an interesting movie. Be careful about question form because if our subject is I, someone else has to ask question from me. Because of that, for question form, we use you for subject. Because I can't ask question for myself, yeah? someone else has to ask question from me. So, are you watching an interesting movie? For short answers, yes I am, no I'm not. Okay friends, that's it. I hope you learned present continuous very well. You can ask your question in comments and I will answer them. See you. Bye.